As you may all be aware, all tribunals and boards of this nature are now under the judiciary, and our work is really to make sure that they have all the support to be able to do the work that they have been assigned to do. The Transport Licensing Appeals Board has been here since Monday, developing very critical management tools. They've been able to develop their service charter. They've been able to develop draft rules and regulations to govern what they do. They've been able to develop some publicity material and so forth. And so mine here was just to come and offer support and to make sure that even as they do their work, we know there are many challenges, many challenges, administrative, legal, and so forth. But we are keen to make sure that the judiciary is there to make sure that the service they provide to wananchi is properly facilitated in terms of, resources, staff, equipment, whatever it is that they need.
We are calling on all the matatu people because they are the most affected by the NTSA licensing. We are with their problems. We have been well armed, and as I have said, under the great leadership of the Chief Justice and Chief Registrar here, we are well guided. We know where we are going and how to deal with the issues, and we want to pull the matatu circles out of the administrative quagmires that have been in the Ministry of Transport.